What's up, music producers? Today I've got something really exciting for all the guitarists and tone chasers out there. Imagine getting a pro level amp simulation for free. That's right, meet the EVO Amp Lite by Revolt DSP. I would say it's your new best friend for nailing that perfect guitar tone. Whether you are into crispy clean or hard-hitting distortion, this plugin has you covered. If that sounds interesting, let's dive right in. First off, EVO Amp Lite isn't just another amp sync. It's designed for producers who want a streamlined, high-quality experience without getting lost in a sea of controls. With a simple but powerful interface, you can dial in your sound with precision in no time. Perfect for both beginners and pros who just want to get straight to the music. Right here on the screen, you will see the intuitive controls. EVO Amp Lite has everything you need, no frills, just the essentials. As you can see, you've got gain knob, as you can see, the low knob, the mid, the high, the volume, the on and on button with the presence knob. These are all you need to shape your tone from warm and smooth to aggressive and punchy. Let's hear it in action. I'm going to tweak the gain for a bit of that dirty crunch, and let's push the low for some low-end punch. Listen to how responsive this plugin is. No latency, no fuse, just pure dynamic sound. That's exactly what I'm talking about. EVO Amp Lite makes it very easy to achieve that amp in the room feel without the hassle of setting up hardwares and spending a dime. Alright, let's check out the factory presets and see what it came with. And as you can see, it's a pretty simple interface. In meter and the out meter, where you can now switch between this, I think, the amp or the cabinet. As you can see here, if you notice what is going on here, then here is the effects it came with. You can see the gate, overdrive, reverb, decay. All right, let's check out the factory presets to see what they have. I believe you heard it, and have in mind, this plugin is completely available for free. EVO Lite amp gives you professional grade amp tones at zero cost. Plus, it's super light on your CPU, as you can see. I'm actually using my backup system board. While listening, I believe you had no glitching or any kind of funny noise showing CPU usage. Revolt DSP has really hit it out of the park with this one. Whether you are recording your latest track or jamming out in the studio, EVO Amp Lite has everything you need to sound amazing. So what are you waiting for, guys? The link will be in the description. Download EVO Amp Lite today and elevate your guitar tones to the next level. I've got the link in the description below, along with some other great resources for amazing deals. Grab it and start making some killer music. And feel free to share your thoughts about this plugin in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome free plugin reviews, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.